Hi there, my name is Basith Mohammed, and I'm currently taking CS50W, which is Harvard's Introduction to Web Development with Python and JavaScript, and this is my project 2, Commerce. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is models, and there should be models for auction listings, bids, and comments. So let's go over to my website. And right now I'm not signed in, but as you can see, we have a few auction listings that I've already made. And then if we go into one of them, then we can see that there are comments at the bottom. And you can also see that we have bids. But right now, since we're not signed in, we won't be able to bid, nor will we be able to comment. Next, let's see how we can create a listing using the Create Listing page. So let me log into one of my pre-made accounts here. And let's go to Create Listing. So let's create a listing like AirPods Max comfy headphones. And let's do a starting bid of maybe like, I don't know how much these go for, maybe like, let's just say 1,000. And let's select a category, which may probably be like electronics. And I have a URL right here just so that we can use for this. And let's paste. Now let's post this listing. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see our listing is right here and it is posted. And we can open it and check it out like all the other listings. So that was the create listing page. Next, let's check out the active listing page, which is basically the home screen of the website. So it's this page right here. And as you can see on this page, we have all the listings that are active, and then we also have the closed listings all the way here at the bottom. And as you add them, they just go to the bottom, and we have the general information, the title, a picture, a description, and the price of that listing, which is the highest bid or the starting bid. Next, we'll check out the listing page. So let's just use this account to go on to one of the listing pages, like this golf balls one posted by Dante in category sports and outdoors. Here's a little description, a picture here. And there has been one bid so far and a comment by Joey saying that he thinks he's going to win. So let's try to bid now. And let's try to bid like maybe not enough, like let's say 65.50, which is lower than the current bid. So it should prompt us an error. And there we go. We get an error. We must bid higher. So let's just go extremely higher. Let's just bid for 90. And as you can see, now there's another bid. Our bid is the current one, and the current bid is 90. And we can also put a comment. We can say, looks like I will win now. And let's post that comment, and as you can see, our comment has been posted. And if we go to a listing that I have posted, so I posted these before using this account, like this one. So this is posted by this account, category video games. And as you can see, if it's posted by your account, you have the option to end this listing. Right now, there's been 3 bids, and Emily has the highest bid at 613. So let's end this listing, and therefore letting Emily win. So now it says listing closed. And now let's actually log into Emily's account and see how that looks. So now that we're in Emily's account, let's go to the closed listings, and we can go to PlayStation 5, which is the one that if you guys remember, I was just on with Hadi's account, and we just closed it. And as you can see, it says you won this listing because I was the highest bid when I closed this. Okay, that looks good. Now let's check out the watch list. So right now, Emily has 3 things in her watch list. The one we just closed, the PlayStation 5, this book, and this camera. So let's just see what happens if I remove this from the watch list. As you can see, it updates completely. And let's go back to active listings. Let's add maybe these earbuds into the watch list. And now if I go to my watch list, the earbuds are added. And now that this has closed, let's just remove this from the watch list. And that updates immediately. All right, let's check out categories now, which is the next thing. So for categories, we can check out, let's check out sports and outdoors. As you can see, the tennis stuff is here. Maybe let's check out electronics. As you can see, all the electronic stuff is here. If we go to one with nothing in it, then it'll say nothing in it. All right. Final thing is the Django admin interface, which we can go by going to admin here. And we have to log in with a super user. And we have the admin interface here where we can select different ones. We can delete those. We can select different comments and delete those. We have all the listings here. And then all the users of the account. And yeah, that has been my commerce project. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to do more.